Hey, what's up guys? On this one I want to show you guys how you can actually create a Ethereum saving wallet. It's going to be a quick one. I'm just going to show you guys how you can actually get started with just creating this wallet so that you can actually take that Ethereum and then just dash it there so that you can actually grow for yourself onto there, guys. So as you can actually see here, I have a ZA wallet, I have a USDC wallet. So we're going to create a Ethereum wallet. It's going to be a quick one, and then we're just going to do that, guys. So what you're going to do, you just go down here. You can actually see here it says add a wallet. You're just going to click onto it, and then it's going to lead on to here. We have some 3 wallets here. As this you can see, this is a Bitcoin Cash wallet, and then we have a BTC saving wallet, we have a Ethereum saving wallet. So this is a new one. This has actually been just came on, guys. So what I'm going to show you how you can actually set this up so that you can actually get started onto how you can actually save your Ethereum, not just holding it where it's not even growing. So that means as it grows higher, it grows a little bit of an inch of some interest onto it. So this is what we're going to see. I'm going to show you guys. So this is, we're just going to click here, and then this actually shows you guys. So earns up to 4% interest with your ETH saving wallet. Saving Ethereum is smart. Earning interest on your Ethereum saving is brilliant, guys. So creating ETH saving wallet and transfer Ethereum into the earn up to 4% interest per annum. We will pay the interest into your ETH savings wallet on the 1st of each month. So as you can actually see how you earn interest. This is what they show you guys here. When you transfer Ethereum into your ETH saving wallet, it is then lent to our trusted lending partners, who enters into individual loans with third parties. There is some risk, as you already know it, with investments, guys. So please familiarize yourself with ETH saving wallet terms and conditions, so you can actually go there and actually read more of the terms and conditions of this, guys. Some interest varies depending on market conditions, so the interest rate changes over time. The interest rates can go down, the interest rates can go up. So guys, but they will definitely tell you before everything happens, which is probably one of the conditions. You're actually going to go and read onto the terms and conditions of this saving wallet, and then you can actually understand what they mean by that, guys. So we're going to go on and see here, you are in control. So while your ETH saving wallet is for long-term investing, you can transfer your Ethereum out at any time at no charge. So they're actually just going to allow you to be able to take out some money, while you know that some banks, they will not let you do that without any fee. They will actually take out some more money from you when you want to take it out before some time that you actually agreed on. Maybe you said, I want to save this for a period of a year, but something comes up and then you want to take it out before the time. The bank will actually just charge you more money onto that, and then they say you haven't even finished the year, you won't even get any interest, which is really not good, while they actually been earning some money with your money, lending it to other people, and then they're getting more money from you, guys. So this is smart, as I can tell you, guys. So you will first have to create your savings wallet, then transfer Ethereum into it, then your Ethereum wallet to start earning interest. As you all know, guys, this is not financial advice. Make sure you do your own due diligence and make sure you understand everything about crypto so that you don't actually lose money here, because you can lose money if you actually don't know what you are doing. So make sure you actually read more, or at least watch more videos, and then so that you can actually understand what is actually going on, so that you don't actually lose your money to this. We go forward. Let's create your ETH saving wallet, then transfer Ethereum into it from your Ethereum wallet to start earning interest. So it's as easy as that, guys. You actually just go into create the wallet, and then you take your ETH that you already have, or you just buy it and then you transfer it onto your Ethereum wallet, saving wallet, and then you start earning your interest, so that you can actually see how much you've earned in less than a month. So you can actually see some changes onto your, or at least they will show you how much you have made on to that, guys. So this is one of those passive income that you just know you don't have to work for. You just know it's going to come onto you on each and every month. It's just gonna keep on accumulating. As the price of it actually goes up, you're actually going to be earning something, guys. So as you can see, guys, you can just take it from here. You're just going to hit the create wallet, and then you actually just put in your pins and all that, and then they allow you to actually create the wallet, and then you can just transfer your ETH onto your wallet, and then boom, that's it, you're done creating your wallet, guys. So this is going to be it for this video, guys, and then I will see you on the next one. Make sure you subscribe, like the video, even share it with those other people. They actually, they might actually like your page for actually sharing them some great tips like these, guys, so that they can actually make that bag for all of us, guys. So thanks for watching, and then I will see you on the next one. This is going to be a ciao.